In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a text box in Canva. Moving a text box around your design workspace is a fundamental skill that can help you better organize and customize your creations. Whether you're crafting a stunning social media post, putting together an eye-catching presentation, or designing a sleek marketing flyer, mastering this simple technique will give you more creative control. Now let's get started and explore how you can move a text box with ease in Canva. First, you'll want to open your Canva design where the text box you wish to move is located. If you're not already logged into Canva, simply go to canva.com and enter your credentials to access your workspace. Once you're in your design, look for the text box you want to reposition. This could be any text element on your canvas. Maybe you want to emphasize a title more prominently at the top, or add a little flair by moving a quote to the center. With your design open, click directly on the text box that you want to move. You'll know it's selected when you see a bounding box appear around the text, along with several small circles or handles at the corners and midpoints of the box. These handles are indicators that you can resize the text box if needed, but for now we're focusing strictly on moving it. Now hover your mouse over the selected text box until you see a four-sided arrow cursor appear. This four-sided arrow is your cue that the text box is ready to be moved. Hold down your mouse button, and while keeping it pressed, drag the text box to your desired location. You'll notice that Canva provides alignment guides, which are useful for ensuring your text is correctly aligned with other elements in your design. As you drag the text, these guides may appear as dashed lines, helping you to align your text box vertically or horizontally relative to the other elements in your design. This alignment feature comes in handy to maintain symmetry and balance, making sure your design looks professional and well organized. Once you've positioned the text box exactly where you want it, simply release the mouse button and the box will stay in its new spot. If you're not satisfied with its position, don't worry. You can always click and drag the text box again until you're happy with the placement. Additionally, if you find the text isn't quite where you want it in terms of depth, meaning it might be behind or in front of another element, you can adjust the layering to bring it forward or send it backward in the design. And there you have it, you've successfully moved a text box in Canva. This simple yet effective skill will definitely enhance your ability to create captivating designs. Armed with this knowledge, go ahead and experiment, and soon enough, moving elements in Canva will be second nature to you. Thanks for tuning in and happy designing.